Hello, welcome to Color with me. So today I decided to do an unboxing. I found this yesterday. It's at a local store called Ollie's, and it's a similar idea to a Big Lots. So they get a lot of stuff that's overstocked for the warehouses. So this is a paint by number set. It says it has 5 canvases and stands, 10 acrylic paints, 1 paintbrush, and a 48-page book. So with all the painting I've been doing, I actually have not tried acrylic paints yet. So I have always, stuck with these little easier mediums such as watercolor markers so far. Let's see how this stuff looks. Okay. Okay, what are we here? Okay, so there we got our 10 paints. So each one has a number on it. So that'll help us to know that that's easy to follow. A book, Star Wars, The Defining Moment. Okay, so that's not instructions, but it looks like a fun little read. Okay, this must be our stand. Some easels. Okay, 3M brand, so they should hold pretty well. Okay, and we're supposed to have 5 canvases here. Oh, and 1 paintbrush. So I'm not sure if I'll use that. That's actually nice and pointy there, so let's see. Wow, this is detailed. Okay, so we have all our little numbers there. Okay, it's like a little poster board. Oh, this will be fun. Wow. Even shows us where to put all our little stars. Okay. We got some AT-ATs on Hoth. Okay. Here's the crew in the Millennium Falcon. Okay, here's our 5th one. All right. The deciding battle on Death Star 2. Okay, so these will be fun. Alright. So, since you watched this, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss me painting these. Hope I can do a real nice job on it. Like I said, I have not yet before done acrylic paints. So make sure you like, subscribe so you don't miss my next content. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, may the force be with you. Okay, bye.